how to turn on or switch off S Pen vibrations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings screen, scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Next, we go down and in here tap on S Pen, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on more S Pen settings. Then on the last option, tap on vibrations. Tap on the vibration toggle button to turn off the S Pen vibration or switch it on to turn on the vibrations. And this will vibrate your phone gently when you insert or remove the S Pen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.